Hello, teachers! It's me again, Teacher Joyce. So, for today's video, it's all about how to get a teaching certificate. So, I got my teaching certificate free online. Just search the teacherrecord.com and create an account using Gmail and create password. Please take note to remember your password, and the Gmail must be an active one na nakaka-receive pa ng message. So, after nyo makakreate ng account, just go to the home page and doon piliin nyo lang po yung certificate. Under certificates, the TEFL certificate. And so, ano nga ba yung TEFL certificate? Ang TEFL stands for Teaching English as a Foreign Language. It is a certificate that shows a qualification that you can teach native or non-native speakers. And needed talaga siya sa PALFISH na may certificate ka. And ang TEFL certificate, ito yung 120-hour training. So, kaya nakikita nyo dun, 120 hours. But it doesn't mean na 120 hours kayo magti-take. Pwede kayo mag-take and even have a break for a minute, a day. And but advisable ko siya matapos nyo siya within 2 to 3 days para makuha nyo kagad yung certificate nyo. Dito lang din sa teacher record siya makukuha. So, thank you so much, teachers. So, again, this is Teacher Joyce. Please follow and like this video and please share. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, teachers.